Wow, look how high this quarter pipe is. I'm gonna learn how to do a drop in today for sure. Oh god, it's so high up here. But here goes nothing. Full confidence here. On second thought, maybe not. Okay, okay. Don't be scared. You got this. Okay, just commit. No, 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 no. I'm out, I'm out. Come on. Don't be a chicken. You can do this. Alright. Third time's the charm, right? Jeez, relax, man. Go ahead. Alright, let's talk about how to drop in. There are 4 things you want to remember while learning to drop in. The first thing to remember is to have good foot placement. So the back foot should be on the hold tail along the coping, just like this. The front foot can be anywhere near the front bolts. I generally like to have it around here. The second thing to remember when dropping in that's important is to lean slightly forward. So transfer that weight from your back foot to your front foot by leaning over your front foot slightly, and I mean slightly. This will prevent you from falling. The third thing to remember is to really stomp your front wheels down. Your wheels are either made of hard plastic or rubber. Don't be gentle. If you do it too slow or you're too gentle, you'll roll on your back wheels and you'll fall for sure. You really want to hear that smack sound the wheel makes when you hit the concrete. The last thing you want to remember when dropping in is to bend your knees. When you bend your knees, you actually lower your center of mass, so you actually have better overall balance. Okay, so these are things not to do in order to avoid injuries. The first don't is to never lean back. Leaning back is a for sure way to get hurt. You might even hit your head on the coping, which is not pretty at all. Contrary to leaning slightly forward, leaning too much forward is also bad. When you lean too far forward, you put more weight on the nose and you'll faceplant into the quarter pipe, and that's not pretty either. The last don't is all mental. If you're gonna drop in, it's all or none. Don't chick it out halfway. That's a sure way of getting injured. Thanks for watching this video. Dropping in is all about commitment, but once you get it, which I know you will, it will be second nature. So never give up.
Soup or don't.